Hey guys, this is just a quick interesting fact about 3DVista which I found out today. I thought it's a bug, but it's actually something we can deal with, and it's not necessarily a bug. So here we are under panorama and hotspots, and to the hotspot I created this text with a link, and to the text I added this drop shadow effect, which is kind of aligning with the shadows of the room. And when I go and take a preview of it, it looks perfect. It will open in Chrome, but it doesn't matter what kind of browser you're using. Oops, sorry for the music. So here in the preview you can see the shadows looks perfect as it's supposed to. And when I go to the publish and do the usual thing, it will take only a couple of seconds because it's a one panorama tour. Actually, it's not a tour, it's only an interactive panorama. So when I do that and go to FileZilla and let's refresh the folders and the files. And what I usually do here, I leave out the media folder and only copy the rest of it, because if I do that, I only need to update about 43 files. And my understanding about the media folder so far was that it only contains the panorama pictures in different resolution. So if I don't edit that, I don't need to update the media folder itself. So I can leave it out and upload only the rest of the files, which will take shorter time and only a few seconds actually. And let's take a look at it. And here you can see this is the final result, and we are missing the shadow. So in order to have the shadow effect, we need to update the media folder as well. And it's a large panorama with over 130 megapixel, so it will take some time, and with this over 2000 files, we need to wait a bit, but I already uploaded it, so we don't need to wait until the end. I just need to refresh the browser, and here we go. Nice shadow as we supposed to have. So just keep in mind, when you are editing your tour, you probably need to update the media folder as well, and it is not enough to update the rest of the files. Otherwise, you probably will miss some effects or some features. That's it. I hope you enjoy it and found it useful. And take care, guys. Have a nice weekend.